Hello everyone. This is on transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences means transforming a sentence from one form to another. So we must know what are the kinds of sentences first. These are the kinds of sentences. Statement. It is also called assertive sentence or declarative sentence. The second one is interrogative sentence. Then we have imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So now we are going to see how to transform a sentence from one form to another without changing its meaning. In transformation of sentences, we have interchange of affirmative and negative. That means affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. And interchange of assertive and interrogative. The next one, interchange of assertive and exclamatory. Interchange of affirmative and negative. So here we are going to see how to transform an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence. Here is the example. He is sometimes wrong. This is in affirmative. We have to change this sentence into negative without changing its meaning. That means we have to add negative word, but the meaning should be the same. This is very important. While changing a sentence from one form to another, we should not change the meaning of it. So here we can transform it by using the word not always. He is not always correct. This is the exact negative sentence for an affirmative sentence. He is sometimes wrong. In order to get the exact meaning, opposite word is also used here. So the word wrong is changed as correct. Finally, we get the answer. He is not always correct. Next sentence. They are sometimes happy. It can be changed as they are not always sad. She is always present. This is a statement. This is an affirmative sentence. Here we can give a negative sentence for this affirmative sentence by using the word never. She is never absent. We should always remember this. So it can be changed as we should never forget this. If the sentence starts with all or everybody, we can frame a negative sentence by using nobody or none. For example, all like to be rich. This is in affirmative. We can transform this sentence as nobody hates to be rich. So we replace the word all by nobody and like is changed as hates. Or we can change this sentence as nobody likes to be poor. Next example. Everybody was present. This sentence can be changed as nobody was absent. Everybody was present means nobody was absent. So here we change this sentence into negative sentence, but we get the exact mean. All the students liked the program. Here the negative sentence for this statement is none of the students disliked the program. Only alone. If the sentence has the word only or alone, we can transform that sentence using the word none but. For example, mother alone sacrifices anything for her child. This means none but mother. So mother alone means none but mother sacrifices anything for her child. Only Rita alone can do it. Here answer is none but Rita can do it. That means no one can do it, but Rita can do it. So the answer is none but Rita can do it. If the sentence starts with as soon as, we can get the negative sentence by using no sooner did. For example, as soon as he saw me, he ran away. This is a sentence. It is an affirmative. Here it can be changed as no sooner. As soon as can be changed as no sooner to get a negative sentence. So here answer is no sooner did he see me than he ran away. Here it is necessary to add the word than before the second part of the sentence. And saw, the verb is changed as see, because at the beginning of the sentence we used no sooner did. Next sentence, as soon as the boy heard the noise, he woke up. So it can be changed as no sooner did the boy hear the noise than he woke up. I was doubtful whether I would pass. If the sentence has the word doubtful whether, it can be transformed into negative sentence with the word not sure that, by using the word not sure that. Because the word doubtful means not sure. So here we get the answer, I was not sure that I would pass. He was doubtful whether she would convey the message. Answer is, he was not sure that she would convey the message. So in this way, we can transform an affirmative sentence to negative sentence without changing its meaning. In the same way, we can transform a negative sentence into affirmative sentence.